Question 1. Which of the following quantities is dimensionless? A. Strain. B. Stress. C. Pressure. D. Young's modulus. The correct answer is A. Strain. Question 2. The C unit of force is A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Watt. D. Pascal. The correct answer is B. Newton. Question 3. Which physical quantity is a vector? A. Speed. B. Work. C. Momentum. D. Energy. The correct answer is C. Momentum. Question 4. The slope of a displacement time graph represents A. Acceleration. B. Velocity. C. Force. D. Momentum. The correct answer is B. Velocity. Question 5. The C unit of electric current is A. Volt. B. Ohm. C. Ampere. D. Coulomb. The correct answer is C. Ampere. Question 6. Which phenomenon explains the formation of echo? A. Refraction. B. Reflection. C. Diffraction. D. Interference. The correct answer is B. Reflection. Question 7. The dimensional formula of pressure is A. ml superscript 1 T superscript 2. B. mlt superscript 2. C. ml superscript 2 T superscript 2. D. mlt superscript 2. The correct answer is A. ml superscript 1 T superscript 2. Question 8. Which law explains action and reaction forces? A. Newton's first law. B. Newton's second law. C. Newton's third law. D. Law of gravitation. The correct answer is C. Newton's third law. Question 9. The time period of a wave is equal to. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 10. The C unit of magnetic flux is A. Tesla. B. Weber. C. Henry. D. Ampere. The correct answer is B. Weber. Question 11. If no external force acts on a system, which quantity remains conserved? A. Acceleration. B. Momentum. C. Power. D. Force. The correct answer is B. Momentum. Question 12. The work done in uniform circular motion is A. Positive. B. Negative. C. Zero. D. Maximum. The correct answer is C. Zero. Question 13. The moment of inertia of a body depends on A. Angular velocity. B. Torque. C. Axis of rotation. D. Angular momentum. The correct answer is C. Axis of rotation. Question 14. In projectile motion, the horizontal component of velocity is A. 0, B. Constant, C. Increasing, D. Decreasing. The correct answer is B. Constant. Question 15. The escape velocity of a planet depends on A. Mass of object only, B. Mass and radius of planet, C. Atmospheric pressure, D. Rotation speed. The correct answer is B. Mass and radius of planet. Question 16. In an isothermal process, which quantity remains constant? A. Pressure, B. Volume, C. Temperature, D. Internal energy. The correct answer is C. Temperature. Question 17. The effective resistance of two equal resistors connected in parallel is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 18. The power factor of a purely resistive AC circuit is A. 0, B. 0.5, C. 1, D. greater than 1. The correct answer is C. 1. Question 19. The fringe width in Young's double-slit experiment depends on A. Intensity of light, B. Wavelength, C. Nature of slit, D. Thickness of slit. The correct answer is B. Wavelength. Question 20. The average kinetic energy of gas molecules depends only on A. Pressure, B. Volume, C. Temperature, D. Density. The correct answer is C. Temperature. Question 21. The electric field inside a conductor in electrostatic equilibrium is A. Maximum, B. Minimum, C. 0, D. Infinite. The correct answer is C. 0. Question 22. The magnetic field at the center of a circular current-carrying loop is proportional to A. Radius, B. Current, C. Square of radius, D. Inverse of current. The correct answer is B. Current. Question 23. The binding energy per nucleon is maximum for A. Hydrogen, B. Helium, C. Iron, D. Uranium. The correct answer is C. Iron. Question 24. The drift velocity of electrons increases when A. Temperature increases, B. Electric field increases, C. Length increases, D. Area increases. The correct answer is B. Electric field increases. Question 25. The stopping potential in the photoelectric effect depends on A. Intensity of light, B. Frequency of light, C. Distance from source. D. Area of metal. The correct answer is B. Frequency of light. Question 26. The center of mass of an isolated system moves with A. Zero velocity. B. Constant velocity. C. Increasing velocity. D. Variable velocity. The correct answer is B. Constant velocity. Question 27. The phenomenon of beats is due to A. Diffraction. B. Reflection. C. Superposition of close frequencies. D. Refraction. The correct answer is C. Superposition of close frequencies. Question 28. Which component stores electrical energy? A. Resistor. B. Inductor. C. Capacitor. D. Diode. The correct answer is C. Capacitor. Question 29. The critical angle depends on A. Angle of incidence. B. Intensity of light. C. Refractive index. D. Frequency only. The correct answer is C. Refractive index. Question 30. The de Broglie wavelength of a particle is inversely proportional to its A. Energy. B. Velocity. C. Momentum. D. Mass density. The correct answer is C. Momentum. Question 31. Which experiment confirmed the particle nature of light? A. Young's experiment. B. Diffraction. C. Photoelectric effect. D. Polarization. The correct answer is C. Photoelectric effect. Question 32. In a purely capacitive AC circuit, current A. Leads voltage by 90 degrees. B. Lags voltage by 90 degrees. C. Is in phase. D. Is zero. The correct answer is A. Leads voltage by 90 degrees. Question 33. The uncertainty principle is significant for A. Macroscopic bodies. B. Planets. C. Subatomic particles. D. Rigid bodies. The correct answer is C. Subatomic particles. Question 34. The magnetic susceptibility of a diamagnetic material is A. Positive. B. Negative. C. Zero. D. Very large. The correct answer is B. Negative. Question 35. The energy of a photon is proportional to its A. Wavelength. B. Amplitude. C. Frequency. D. Speed. The correct answer is C. Frequency. Question 36. The principle of operation of a laser is A. Spontaneous emission. B. Stimulated emission. C. Photoelectric effect. D. Thermionic emission. The correct answer is B. Stimulated emission. Question 37. The work done by centripetal force in circular motion is A. Positive, B. Negative, C. Zero, D. Maximum. The correct answer is C. Zero. Question 38. In a transformer, lamination of the core reduces A. Copper loss, B. Hysteresis loss, C. Eddy current loss, D. Flux leakage. The correct answer is C. Eddy current loss. Question 39. The Doppler effect is observed due to A. Change in amplitude, B. Relative motion between source and observer, C. Diffraction of waves, D. Reflection of waves. The correct answer is B. Relative motion between source and observer. Question 40. Which logic gate gives output high only when inputs are different? A. AND, B. OR, C. XOR, D. NAND. The correct answer is C. XOR. Question 41. The half-life of a radioactive substance depends on A. Temperature, B. Pressure, C. Nature of nucleus, D. Initial mass. The correct answer is C. Nature of nucleus. Question 42. The resolving power of an optical instrument is limited due to A. Reflection, B. Refraction, C. Diffraction, D. Dispersion. The correct answer is C. Diffraction. Question 43. The speed of electromagnetic waves in vacuum depends on A. Frequency, B. Wavelength, C. Permittivity and permeability of vacuum, D. Amplitude. The correct answer is C. Permittivity and permeability of vacuum. Question 44. The Hall effect is used to determine A. Resistance, B. Charge carrier density, C. Capacitance, D. Inductance. The correct answer is B. Charge carrier density. Question 45. The function of a moderator in a nuclear reactor is to A. Absorb neutrons, B. Slow down neutrons, C. Increase temperature, D. Control radiation. The correct answer is B. Slow down neutrons. Question 46. The quality factor of a resonance circuit indicates A. Energy stored, B. Power loss, C. Sharpness of resonance, D. Capacitance. The correct answer is C. Sharpness of resonance.